Subscribe PoinTECH and press bell icon to get latest updates. Never miss new videos from PoinTECH. Welcome back on PoinTECH channel. Here, today I will teach you to change slide background color in PowerPoint without using any shape. So without wasting time, let's start. Right click on slide and select Format Background. A Format Background panel will appear on your right side. From here, select any option that you want. You can fill any solid color, gradient, picture, pattern that you want. Also, you can adjust transparency of background using transparency tool. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and share it.